Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2015 Triumph Rocket 3 that I want to show you. This bike's got less than 1,000 miles on it. It's in beautiful condition. Inline 3-cylinder, liquid cooled 2300cc motor. Looks like a car engine sitting up in there. Horizontal shaft, horizontal crankshaft style motor. This thing torques up real quick and she'll fly. Excellent tire on the front, black powder coated rims, front end, lots of black on this bike. The small little wind deflector windshield up front there. The paint on this bike is pretty cool. It's black, but it's got this brushed metal stripe here, and I can barely feel it. So I'm thinking that may be it's probably a graphic tape or something on there under the powder coat. You can just barely feel. It really looks slick on there. 2-up bike, shaft drive. Excellent tire on the rear disc brake. The traditional looking gauges up here on the front, but they're digital. Got a speedo on this side, tack on this side, and then some other digital readout stuff. Got a fuel gauge there, and your shift indicator, and the miles over here, I guess miles that you have left on a tank. Bike's got 930 miles. It's also got anti-lock brakes. I may have to pull the clutch in. Yeah, bear with me just a minute while I do that. She pops right off, no issues at all with that. Looks there. Really slick. I was saying 10 years. I'm wondering if maybe it's yeah, this must be the 10th year anniversary, and this is number 55 of 500 made. That's what I'm thinking that means. They want to check with sales guys on that. You can talk to them toll free at 888-400-1151. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This one qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.